gave her the moon and the stars, but she still wanted space. Now we're miles apart, I ain't even seen her face, and it's driving me insane. Tell me it was fake, that just in my mind. Tell me it's perfect, everything will be alright. Girl, just tell me that you miss me, tell me that it's fine. Tell me that you cared and it wasn't just a lie. So tell me why I'm calling up these girls and they don't give a fuck. I think it's just my type, bitches that don't like me. Tell me why I wasn't good enough when nothing really changed, and now you still hit me up. I feel like I'm falling in love with falling in love, and that's what it was. Every time you told me you felt the vibe and you wanted to hit your line, you said you were horny. Is that how you want me to feel? Cause I know that was real, you can't tell me it was fake. When you call me saying that you want it, girl, I can't relate. Now there's a lot of reasons why I don't fuck with you. If I told you I'm over it, that would be a lie. Even though I still hate you, I still need you in my life, so you can hit my line. You can think I'm a player, yeah, you can think I'm a pimp. If you need to ease your mind, I always had your back until you put a knife into mine. No, if you think you're coming back, it's too late. It's been a year, I don't want it back. Go and have fun, all the drugs you took to my place, the ones you've been taking at my place. So let me ask you, why you trying to make me jealous cause you found someone new? Well, I'm not going to the party to see you, I'm here to fuck your best friend. You know, I just got some talk in your bedroom. Now I don't give a fuck and you suck. Yeah, it's hard to make a song when you're out of love. I don't know how to start when you're not breaking my heart. It's easy to be hurt and make music in the dark. I wanna get high and wasted, get shit faced, get fucked up, go ape shit. I might go crazy and fuck all your friends. I wanna drink sky, no chaser, jump off the stage, cause the summer's never gonna end. So we're young, let's go get it. I'm in love with her smile, she's in love with my ass. I don't think we could just be friends. She just wants sex, she just wants a fuck like I'm an object. She only sees me when she needs some head, so fuck you. But I still see your posts even when you're not talking about me. Even though you say you're not talking about me, we all know it's about me. Your friends texting me saying, hey, you good? Hey, she's worried about you, you know why you're asking them to go check on me. Cause you wanna see if I'm stable, you wanna see if I'm okay to go date again, so fuck you. You wanna know what I'm gonna do? I wanna get high, I wanna get shit faced and wasted, get fucked up, go ape shit, go crazy. I might fuck all your friends cause I don't really care.